Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special head unit for Toyota Rav4 2012 to 2017 years. Okay, you can check. Here is a big box. Let me unbox the review. When you open the box, you can check head unit with good condition. Okay. So harness and canvas. Okay, here is head unit. Okay, let me introduce the harness set first. Okay, you can check. This is special harness for Toyota Rav4, and this radio antenna, original radio antenna. Okay, and this original camera, RC type camera. Okay, and this audio combo. There are two camera inputs. This is original camera factory flag. Okay. There are AUX inputs, two US AUX inputs, and this factory connector. Plug and play. Okay. And there are two factory plug. One is power, other one is this is speaker, this power. Okay, you can check. This come with canvas decoder, special canvas decoder. Okay, special harness. Okay, it comes with GPS antenna. This camera input, camera cable. Okay, this two USB cable and external microphone. Connect back of head unit. This original USB, external microphone. Okay, this video input and AUX input left and right. Okay, this audio combo. This is subwoofer. Okay, and video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, this is audio front and rear, left and right. Output. Okay. Let me introduce special head units for Toyota Rav4. (2012 to 2017 years). Okay. Okay, this is drive agent. Okay, you can check this special for Toyota Rav4 head unit. Very nice. Okay, you can check. Dash kits. Okay, the left. There have no DVD player, no CD DVD player. You can check this GPS, power cable, fuse, this Wi-Fi, antenna, radio antenna, connector. Okay. You can check this have built-in SD card slot. Okay. Okay. Let me power with 12 voltage. Connect back power. Okay, you can check head unit will be start. Okay. This is microphone. Reset hole. This is 10.1 IPS touch screen. Okay, please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, take out. Okay, you can check this UI interface. Very fast response. Okay, let me check settings. You can check system. Model is PX5 octa-core. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay, let me back the home. It's built-in Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, it's built in the easy connection for mirror link. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay, it's built in Google Maps. It's built in Play Store. Control settings. Okay, that's all. I will do next function review later. Thank you.